Hey guys, Deco Games back here with another game. We're playing Cats. This is a new game that's just come out on the App Store. I've just gone through the tutorial and we're about to go and play it. So I just got a gift there and I think I've just got my first car. Congratulations on your first machine. Look at that thing. Let's install the rocket launcher. Rocket launcher? Hell yeah. Sweet. What are you waiting for? Get in there. Oh, there's a cat. Looking good. Now let's win some new parts of the machine. Sweet. Oh my god. How am I going to win against that? Remember, you don't control the machine, it fights automatically. Your job is to assemble the best machine out there. Oh my god. Rocket launcher versus... It's like a power drill. Let's do it. Yes. We flipped it. Come on! Kick his ass! Amazing game. Sweet. So we got a supply box. It contains new parts that will help the machine. That's so pretty well. It takes time to open them. Oh, you sure? Of course. Cool. Okay guys, I quite like the look of this game. If you want me to keep playing this game, make sure you leave a like and subscribe guys. I'll hopefully be playing this a lot more. This looks like a good game. So we got the rocket launcher upgrade, we've got loads of different types. Sweet, pretty cool, right? Keep winning quick fights to get more supply boxes. And don't forget to visit the garage and check out new parts. Alright, let's see what we got. So we can change this, the model. Looks like all it does is just changes the health. I quite like the one I've got there now though, because that flipped the other guy. Let's keep it. Let's put the rocket on. Yo. So we got better strength. Can you add that on as well? No, it's saying 5 out of 7 at the bottom. 4. Is that better wheels? Sweet. I think that's enough. Before you go, I have a small gift. Take the sticker. It'll make your fighting machine look cooler. Ooh. Piece or cat? Gotta be cat. Chuck the cat on. Looks great, can't wait to see you in battle. Alright. Do you know what? Let's just go for it. We're ready. Fire that! Flipping it. Yeah, it's definitely a good design. Just gonna keep attacking the hell out of it now. Yeah. Definitely that sticker that helped. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, should we keep fighting? Yeah, let's do it. One more and then we need to edit. Oh my god, I flipped in miles. Oh, we're just about getting underneath. Sweet. We'll just keep winning, guys, yeah? I want to get on TV and fight in finals. I entered you in a championship. I don't want to do that yet. I want to edit the car. Alright, you will have to beat 23 stages in order to get to the finals. I'm sure you'll get there and become a star, but let's get back to the first stage. Stage 1. That's you. You're in the competition. There are several ways to win the championships. Let's try and win a series of fights. Fight against. Alright, sweet. He's literally doing nothing. Is it? Just gonna try and keep ramming me. I think this might be an easy couple of fights, guys. Oh, he's got a good little scoop on the front of his. It's good to have a good attack, but you need to be able to flip him. That's my game. You guys must have played Robot Wars. I've been promoted. Sweet, we're on level 2. Powerful parts. Pick one of the stickers. Let's go for bomb. Stinger. Boulder, Bigfoot, better wheels, chainsaw, hell yeah, surfer. That's crazy. Alright, let's edit. I know you're eager to get back into fights, but let's improve your machine first. I was about to do that. You can fuse some unused parts to get favorite ones. Fuse? Choose the part you want to improve. Then fuse another part into it. What do you mean? That's cool. Well done, keep fusing and improving your parts to make your machine more powerful. I got 2 of those. Sweet. Stupid wheel. No. What have I done? I'll see if I can upgrade it again. So I got 2 of those, haven't I? Yeah, let's get rid of 1. That one. Let's get rid of this one. High. Yeah, level 2. Good. Alright, let's have a look. So we've got a new sticker. Let's whack that on. And obviously we can. So we've got rockets. Level 3 rocket. Can we not add anything else? That'd be cool if we can. Let's see if we can put chainsaw on. No. Yeah, that's changed it instead of. That's not good. Where did my rocket go? Come on. That's the problem about this game. You can't like grab onto it well. Alright, we just gotta deal with that, guys. Rocket it is. Sweet. Back to the championships. Actually, you got a new super part. I know a guy who can turn off your regular parts. Turn any of your regular parts into super parts. All we need to do is make a bet. Nah, I can't be doing no bets. What do you think is going to win? Choose one of the players and place the bet. The parts you bet will gain super bonuses if you win. No one's got any rockets. That you want to bet? Let's go for one of these things. Sweet. I sure want to bet one part. No. See if we can upgrade some more stuff. No, that'll be fine. I don't have a clue what I want to do anyway. Bet done. What's going on? We've got some achievements. So we can upgrade it. We got 2. Give bonus coins from supply boxes. Give additional power to titans. Increase damages of stingers. Boosters. Surfers. That's gotta do. I don't think I'll ever choose anything apart from a rocket. Like the rockets sound like the best ones. Yeah, we're literally destroying people with these level 2 rockets now. Oh, that's no good. No. That's mental, I just got scooped. That's mental. Just got my first loss, guys. That's a pain. This is where it's going to start getting harder, is it? Oh, we're doing good. Whoa. What was it just aiming for? Like, just ramming me. 2 out of 3. Almost a big hitter. No. or a race to the destruction. That's going to be close. No! No! It's another big hitter. I'm going up. No! We need a stronger weapon, guys. Oh, I'm going to win that one. Win 9 fights to get instant promotion. That chainsaw's nowhere near perfect. That'll be horrible if I got like scooped up on top there. Oh, never a big hitter. That does look like a good idea. New to the game. Literally need to see what I'm going to be good at. What's that? The surfer, isn't it? 5 wins done. That's just a weak one, that's good. See, this power drill guy is really good. Maybe I should upgrade a power drill. We're kicking butt, guys. We're doing it. Fight number 14. Good. One more fight. One more win. No. Your machine has successfully defended itself. I so need to be better than that. Sweet. Alright, let's have a look. Can we go number 2? Let's go 30% on rocket. I think we could put 2 things in, which is good. But that means I need to take the rocket off the other one. Pain in the ass. Let's go drill. Sweet. Number 2. Rocket. Come on. Cool, we got level 2 rocket. Oh, not enough power. How do I get more power? Can I put this on? 5, no. Oh man. No wheels whatsoever. Just a single wheel. So you actually have to get individual wheels as well. That's crazy. Check the result. I gotta watch it. Oh man. He's upside down. Yes. No. That's crazy. He went upside down. I lost my bet. That's crazy. Still doing well. Alright, tap to edit. That does like a really crappy. Look at this one. Alright. Let's edit this guy. Let's try and get some more on here. No. Let's go chainsaw. Let's update. You can't fuse the part into itself. What? There we go. Level 2 drill. I'll do. And then what we'll do is... Has it got wheels? Yeah, it's got wheels. Okay, number 3. Let's put the surfer. But it needs more wheels. How do I get more, do you think? It's got to be quite simple. Let's have a look. Quick fight. No. Let's just drill the crap out of it. You ready? Let's go! No, he's got more strength. Are you serious? Well, there we go. Here's another game that I need to be rubbish at. Alright guys, I'm going to try and crack on with this game, try and get better. If you like this game, make sure you download it. Also leave a like, and I'll keep playing it. We'll see how far we can get on. See you later.